Da ni yn y meatpacking district yn Efrog Newydd. Dwi'n aros am cyfnither fi ddod I pigo fyny rhain. Dyma fatha working mom. So, da ni yma I weld un dyn. Just bach cliw bach ar Cres Iori.
Di Maxine heb weld ei ffrind a chyd y berchenog Wrecsam Rob McElhenney ers y dyrchafiad, gan bod ei fywyd fel un o sêr Hollywood mor brysur. Ond heddiw, mae yna gyfle prin I ddal fyny gyda fo ar y carped coch.
Dewch I mewn.
Bydd o'n nghanol llu o sêr y byd teledu, sy'n dod at ei gilydd I ddathlu rhaglenni newydd y flwyddyn.
Dwi'n meddwl bydd Rob yn troi fyny yn edrych fel heddi. Dwi'n meddwl wedi siafo ers y llun yma. This is quite a treat. So I'm from Wales.
Okay, yeah, nice.
My father's from Wrexham.
Okay.
I'm just wondering.
I've never been there.
You've never been there,
I'm really excited about the fact that you're from Wales.
Well, do you think you might go to Wrexham one day?
No. I don't have plans to do it.
They really want to see you in the turf for a pint.
But it's a good thing.
Can you say Cymru am byth?
Cymru am byth?
Cymru am byth.
Cymru am byth?
Cymru am byth.
Is that it?
It means Wales forever.
Oh, Cymru am byth! Cymru am byth!
Llanfair Pwllwyngyll Gynnwys yn Robert Llantilio go.
That's the name of the city.
Whoa!
Yeah. Llanfair Pwllwyngyll Gynnwys yn Robert Llantilio go.
That is so amazing.
I'm going to try and say it.
Go. That's all.
Go. Yeah. Yeah. Here he is.
I don't know your level of access. I'm going to have
Here he is. I've come back from DC, trying to track you down, running around America, trying to track you down, and Wales. So, come on, first of all, back-to-back promotion. Ooh, give me your thoughts.
Well, I mean, not that it wasn't real before, but now it gets really real. It's going to be a lot tougher than it was this past year, but I was just with Phil and then just with the boys in Vegas, and they seem to think that we have a shot at being up there at the top again.
Is it hard to keep what Wrexham is and what it always has been and then still grow it into something much bigger?
That's something we talk about all the time. Whenever we talk about making large initiatives or making big moves, the question always comes back to, is this the kind of club that the community wants? And so that's always going to be the cornerstone of how we make every decision.
Tra bod Rob yn teimlo'r pwysau, nôl yn Wrecsam, mae colonnau pawb yn llawn.
Ac mae'r haul wedi dod I Wrecsam o Philadelphia bell.
There's actually a song that's been written, Mae'r Haul Wedi Dod I Wrexham. Mae'r Haul Wedi Dod I Wrexham.
Mae'r haul wedi dod I Wrexham.
Unwaith eto, one more time.
Mae'r haul wedi dod I Wrexham.
Come on! Get in there! Oh, man, you fought it. Come on!
Mae'r Haul Wedi Dod I Wrexam.
Mae'r haul wedi dod I Wrexam.
Yes, Joe!
Mae'r haul wedi dod I Wrexam.
Herbai.
Up the town!
Mae'r dyfodol yn ddisgair iawn i'r gêm. Dwi'n cael yn talu I chwarae'r gêm, dwi'n caru chwarae, a mae hwnna'n rhywbeth o'n I byth yn meddwl sy'n bosib.
So, happy days, da ni'n fyny. Tîm newydd lle newydd I fynd ar nos fawrth ar Sadwrn, methu disgwyl.
Diolch nawn I Rob a rhai am achub ein Clwb Dod. Am achub ein Clwb Dod.
So good to see you.
Mae'r haul I wedi dod I Wrecsam.